Hello everyone. Well, today I have a challenge lock, and this one is from Halfzipp, the lockpicking welder, and it's number 4. It's on a quick set. Here's the bidding on the key, and it is a quick set. So anyways, let's see if we can get this open on camera. I think I have picked this lock, so pretty sure I did. I'm not positive. Yeah. Just kind of nudging on one and got a little turn on the core. Feel like a little crunch, maybe out of 4. Feels like 1 is still set, 2 feels set. 3's giving me counter. Okay, good click, and a little turn out of him. And a little crunch out of 4, 5. A little counter out of probably number 3. Oops. Go over set number 1. Crunch out of 5. And got a little bolt set going on now. I feel like I'm on a little bit of a, there we go. I thought I was in a little trap, but not so. Got it open. So let's see what's in here. And we'll use this tray today. And dump those there. Okay, we do have a key, so I'm going to go ahead and lock it up. And push that little clip off. I know I got a tool here somewhere. There we go. Okay. And it says use a shim. Most challenge locks, you better use a shim. See if I can get under it. Yeah, there's something in there that I can't get underneath it all the way. See how far? Yep, number 2 or 3. See if I can crawl up on the side of it. Nope, let's try this shim. This one just had it though. I should have got more out. I think it's going. There we go. All right. Yeah, we got a skeleton core right here. That's all kinds of construction holes and everything. Okay, let's see the magic. I think I need to put my other glasses on. I have to have one pair of glasses so I can see what I'm doing, and the other pair when I got a pen. It's a pain. Okay. Ooh, nice T-pen. Oh, chain. Chain. Okay, so we got 5. Now, let's see if there's any threading in here. First one smooth. Second one is threaded. Now, the third one has been opened up large in the middle there. And, yeah, quite. Yeah, and number 4 is threaded, and number 5 is threaded. Now, number 3 is threaded, but it's just rimmed out. Okay, let's see what's in the top. Okay. Big long driver and spring. Steel spring there. And a nice looking spool. And we got a copper spring if it'll come out. Okay. There we go. That's a little guy, little copper one. Right there. I'm going to bring this light in closer. Can't see. Okay. Here we go. Well, we had a piece of chain for the driver and the key pin. That's interesting. Okay, so we can get that spring out. Looks like it's stuck down in there. Yeah, we got a copper and a steel that's wound together. That's why it doesn't want to come out, but here it is. So we had a piece of chain, and then he doubled up 2 springs. He's already learned this game. Okay, and looks like we got a T-pin, a number 5. Yep, and another steel spring, and the last one coming out of there is a nice, ooh, that looks like a mushroom spool there, and I think this one's doubled up too, 2 springs. Yep, I can see it. There's a steel and a copper wound together. Okay, let's see what's in here. I see threading in number 2. 1 is smooth. Number 2 is threaded. They're all threaded except for number 1 is not. Okay. So let me get this up here so y'all can see it. And in number 1, the key pin is standard, and so is the driver. Number 2, the key pin is a T-pin with some serrations above the T, and the driver is a spool and has a little bit, it's got serrations on both ends of the spool, and looks like a serration in the middle. Number 3 is a piece of chain, key pin, and same thing for the driver. Number 4 has serrations, and this looks like a mushroom pin, homemade mushroom pin. And this one here is like a little spool on top. Excuse me while I get it straight. Yeah, a little spool on top with a sharp little lip on it. And then the driver is a T-pin with some serrations on top. And then the springs are steel, copper, and combine both here, and same thing here, 2 springs, and the last one is steel. Anyway, I'm going to hold it up here a little closer, try and hold still so it'll focus. Oh, okay. Anyways, this lock is from Halfzipp number 4, and a lock-picking welder. Thank you for making this lock and sending it out for us all to enjoy. Hope you all come back and see me real soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.